Here comes your pre-market summary for Wednesday, February 1st, first of the month. That means, yep, it's Fed Day. Make sure you're with us coming up this afternoon. We're back on live at 1:45 ahead of the 2 p.m. announcement for the FOMC rate hike. Quarter point to come, 99% in favor as far as the Fed funds tool goes this morning of a quarter point coming today. We'll also pay attention to Fed Chair Powell's comments that will follow in the press conference at 2:30 p.m. Again, that is this afternoon. There's also ISM manufacturing data coming up this morning at 10 o'clock. We'll get the S&P number first at 9:45, and then at 10, the market moving ISM manufacturing number for January. So a couple things to look forward to this morning. Here's a look at the overall market to start things off. Futures basically flat to slightly lower ahead of the Fed after a nice day here for the SPY. Yesterday, green bar back to the highs essentially of the current range for the S&P ahead of the Fed today. The Q is the same story. We had that reversal yesterday after the gap down where we're basically higher throughout the entire session, back towards these highs from a month ago. All eyes on some of the chip makers today. AMD leading the way to the upside this morning after Q4 revenue beat expectation. Their forecast better than expected as well. So chips a little bit strong here to start things off so far this morning. Peloton as well reporting. I mean, it was a mixed report if you look at the numbers, but better than expected on the forecast as well. They were cash flow positive in the quarter. So a few positive notes for PTON out this morning. Snapchat on the other side. Wow. Downside in a big way, not only after the close yesterday, but more follow through this morning, pointing to further losses to come. Weakness in the ad business, not looking good at all for Snap so far this morning. Baidu leading the way as far as Chinese ADRs are concerned. BlackRock disclosing a 7% stake in the Chinese search engine this morning. So we'll have a look at not only Baidu, but some of the EV makers on watch as well. We got delivery numbers for January for XPeng, NIO, and Li, mostly to the downside so far. Speaking of China, Tesla back to the upside. They're planning to ramp up production once again at their Shanghai plant. We had EA on watch, big move down on their report and forecast primarily pointing to further weakness to come for EA Sports. MRIN up on a deal with Yahoo this morning, and MSGM and MGAM, big movers yesterday, back on watch this morning as well, both moving higher, extending the gains. Like MGM's at $70+ this morning. It's crazy. Grab the QR code there, guys, bottom of the screen. That'll get you to the watch list. Enter your email address. It's very simple. It comes to your inbox every single morning for free. We'll see you shortly live on TraderTV.Live.